ChatGPT just killed Midjourney, and if you're not using this right now, you're already behind. Okay? So literally 2 hours ago, OpenAI dropped something that nobody saw coming. ChatGPT can now generate images, not just any images. The best images I have ever seen from any AI model in existence. Better than Midjourney, better than DALL-E 3. Better than everything, and it's not even close. I've been testing this for the last 90 minutes, and what I'm about to show you is absolutely insane. I generated images that would have taken me days to create. I tested things that should have been impossible. And some of this stuff legitimately scared me with how good it is. If you create content, if you run a business, if you design anything, the next 6 minutes will change how you work forever. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I did this morning was I wanted to test something stupid, simple, just to see if this thing actually works. So I typed in, generate a realistic photo of a coffee shop in Tokyo at night with neon signs reflecting in the window. Boom. 30 seconds later, this shows up. Look at this. The reflections are perfect. The neon signs have actual Japanese text. The depth of field is photorealistic. Midjourney would have given me something artistic, but not this real. But that's basic, right? So then I tried something harder. I wanted to create a product mock-up of an iPhone showing a fitness app. Check this out. Not only did it generate the iPhone perfectly, the UI is pixel perfect. The progress ring is exactly 73%. And here's the crazy part. If you zoom in, the water tracker shows individual glass icons. The AI just understood good UI design. Okay, but here's where it gets wild. I saw someone claim that this new model can generate working barcodes, like actual scannable barcodes. So I test it. I say, generate an image of the book Atomic Habits. The barcode on the back should scan to the actual book. I grab my phone, I point it at the screen, and I scan the barcode. What the hell? It pulls up Atomic Habits! This AI doesn't just generate images, it understands how data encoding works. It understands barcodes, QR codes, all of it. Alright, so now I want to push this thing to its limits. I upload a photo of my desk setup, and I give it 11 different edits. I say change the mug to shadow tech, remove the plant, make my shirt blue, add a rocket poster, add a sticky note. 11 edits, 1 prompt, 30 seconds. Pixel perfect. Midjourney can't do this. This is a completely different level. Okay, so here's where this becomes a business weapon. I need thumbnails constantly. So I tested a YouTube thumbnail design. Look at this. The expression is perfect, the text is clear, the colors pop. I would have paid a designer $50 for this. If you run a SaaS company, if you do any marketing, you can now generate every single visual asset you need in seconds. Alright, so I need to be honest here. I found a limitation. I wanted to test if it can count and track objects accurately. It generated the crowd. It added numbers. But when I counted them, there's like 34 labels. It struggles with precise counting. But here's the thing. For 99% of what people actually need images for, this doesn't matter. It is unbeatable. If you're a marketer and you're still paying for stock photos and custom graphics, you're burning money. The gap between people who use this and people who don't is going to be massive. And it's opening right now, today. Subscribe if you want to see that. Drop a comment telling me what you want me to test next. I'm Shadow Tech. I'll see you in the next one.